Very good evening to one and all. So let us discuss one very important questions from the chapter parallelogram. So the question is, in parallelogram ABCD. Here in the diagram you can see one parallelogram. It is given ABCD. ABCD is what? ABCD is a parallelogram. 2 points P and Q are taken on diagonal BD. Where 2 points are taken? On diagonal BD. So line joining B and D, this is the diagonal BD. Here 2 points are taken. One point is point P, another is Q. Such that condition is also given. Point is taken, point P and Q are taken on the diagonal BD in such a way that DP, you see, DP, this distance is equal to BQ, this distance. So this is already given in the question. So what is given? First one, ABCD is a parallelogram. So ABCD is a parallelogram, then it will satisfy the characteristics or properties of parallelogram. What are the different characteristics? Let us remember once again. A recap. Opposite sides are parallel and equal, means AD parallel to BC and AD is equal to BC. Similarly, AB parallel to DC and AB is equal to DC. One another characteristics. Diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other, means BD and AC will bisect each other. So here AC is only one diagonal it is given. So what we will do? So we will construct another diagonal. Okay. Means we will join the point A and C and this will be the another diagonal of the parallelogram ABCD. Now these are the things which are given in the question. Now what to do is the question. Yes. So you have to show that if this is given like that, then you have to show that first one, fifth, total 5 items you have to show. 5 things you have to show here. First one, triangle APD. Where is triangle APD? APD. This triangle is congruent to triangle CQB. CQB, this triangle. So this is the first thing which you have to show. Second, AP is equal to CQ. AP is equal to CQ. Third one, triangle AQB. AQB, this triangle is congruent to triangle CPD. CPD. Fourth one, AQ is equal to CP. AQ is equal to CP. And fifth one, APCQ. APCQ is a parallelogram. All these things you have to show or prove. So let us do it one by one. So let us start from the first one. So as I have told that first of all we will do one construction here, means we will join AC which will meet diagonal BD at point O. So let us try to show or prove first one. Which one? APD, triangle APD. See the diagram very carefully. Triangle APD and triangle CQB. We have to show this congruent. So we have in triangle, which one? APD and triangle CQB. What are the common things which will be helpful for showing that these two triangles are congruent? So see, in triangle APD, AD is equal to BC. Why? Because ABCD is a parallelogram and AD and BC are opposite sides. So we can write here AP AD is equal to BC or CB, whatever. You have to write logic also. Always write reason why opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Okay. Second thing, it is already given that this one dp is equal to bq. We can write it. Okay. So we can write pd or dp, whatever you want to write, you can write, is equal to qb. From where? Given. And also just let us see here. This angle ADP, this angle, and angle CBQ, this angle and this angle are which angle? Alternate interior angle. Let us see how. This is side AD and this is side BC. BD is transversal. If this is A and this is D, this is B and this is C. So if this is transversal, what would happen? This angle and this angle will be alternate interior angle, right? So this angle here in the picture you can see. So we can write here angle ADP, angle ADP is equal to angle CBQ, angle CBQ. Why? Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles because AD and BC are parallel and BD is transversal. Now let us see what we are seeing. Side angle side of one triangle is equal to side angle side of another triangle are equal. So we can say that these two triangles are congruent by which criteria? SAS means side angle side. So triangle APD is congruent to triangle CQB. CQB. You have to write logic by SAS congruency criteria. Again see SAS side angle side, and this is to be proved. This is to be proved in 1. So we have already proved 1. Now second one, you see here AP is equal to CQ. AP is equal to CQ. Now let us see if this triangle and this triangle are congruent, then by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle, we can say that AP is equal to CQ, right? So second is also proved by CPCT. Because in first we have already proved that triangle APD is congruent to triangle CQB. So by CPCT we can say that AP is equal to CQ. From here you can also see this is AP and this is CQ. Right. So from here also you can say that if triangle APD is congruent to triangle CQB, then AP is equal to CQ by CPCT. ये क्लियर है ना सबको? आपको क्या करना था कि APD और CQB को दिखाना था कन्ग्रुएंट, आपने लिया कन्ग्रुएंसी रूल कौन सा, साइड एंगल साइड, इससे दोनों ट्रायंगल को कन्ग्रुएंट दिखा दिया। सेकंड में आपको दिखाना था कि AP CQ के बराबर है, तो जब आप ट्रायंगल को देखोगे तो दिस इज AP एंड दिस इज CQ। ओके, सो ये इस ट्रायंगल का और इस दोनों ट्रायंगल का क्या है, करस्पॉन्डिंग पार्ट्स है। सो आपको पहले पता है करस्पॉन्डिंग पार्ट्स इक्वल होते हैं कब, किसके, कन्ग्रुएंट ट्रायंगल के। सो बाय CPCT वी कैन से दैट AP is equal to CQ. So till here we have shown, we have verified or we have proved first and second. Now let us try to prove third one. Okay, so you can pause your video and then do it yourself. I am erasing it and then we are trying to do third, fourth and fifth one. Okay. So let us see third. In third we have to show that triangle AQB, this triangle is congruent to triangle CPD, this triangle. So let us see what are the common things in these two triangles. We have we have in triangles AQB and triangle CPD. Again AQB, AB, side AB is equal to DC. Opposite sides of parallelogram, so we can write here AB is equal to CD. Okay. Again you see this angle. Which one? ABQ. ABQ is equal to CDP. This ABQ, this angle is equal to CDP. Which type of angle? Alternate interior angle. How? You see, this is AB and this is DC and this is DB. ट्रांसवर्सल, ये दोनों पैरेलल है और ये इसका ट्रांसवर्सल है, तो ये वाला एंगल और ये एंगल क्या होगा, अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल, राइट। एंड अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स आर ऑलवेज इक्वल. सो हियर वी कैन राइट एंगल ABQ. ABQ is equal to angle CDP. CDP. You have to write logic also, no? This is opposite sides of parallelogram and this is alternate interior angles. Okay, again let us see, it is already given in the question. Here you can see in the starting itself it is given DP is equal to BQ, DP is equal to BQ, right? DP is equal to BQ. So we can say BQ is equal to DP. It is already given. So again what we are observing in these two triangles, side angle side. Again side angle side. So in these two triangles are congruent by side angle side congruency criteria. So triangle AQB is congruent to triangle CPD. You have to write congruency criteria also by side angle side, SAS congruency congruence